So 18 June something happened. The whole world was waiting for the Escapist 2 to be free on Epic Game, but it wasn't free. It wasn't there on the Epic Games. Why? Let me show you some facts related to it. So this is the official statement which the Epic Game Store has put on their official Twitter account after so many gamers were asking where is the Escapist 2, and I quote, "The release of the Escapist 2 has been temporarily delayed. We are currently investigating an issue and are working to find a resolution. We apologize for the inconvenience and will provide an update as soon as the game is available to claim." So that was the statement put up by the Epic Game Store. So after seeing this fact, two important questions must really hit you. First, why? What happened suddenly? This game wasn't available on the Epic Game on 18 June when it was announced prior only last week that this game would be available for free. What really happened? And second question, will this game come in the next week in the mystery surprise from Epic Game? Not really the mystery surprise, but next week will this game come or not? Now coming on to the first fact, now among Pathway and Escapist 2, you know and I know which is the more popular game which people are waiting, but the real problem came from the developer or the production house side of the Escapist 2, which is Team 17. Actually the problem lies there. They had some problem with the game, that's why they were not able to push the build to the Epic Games, and the Epic Games was not able to make that game free and available for all you guys to download and play it. That's where the problem lies, and here Epic Game we cannot blame because the problem according to reports were from the production house side. Now the main question which could be coming to mind, whether this game would come next week or not. Now as we know regarding to Ark Survival Evolved, which was also cancelled on the planned release and it came on the next week, so the same could follow with the Escapist 2. It should come in the next week. Now you guys will be asking that why Stranger 3 the game was announced. Now that game is considered to be a backup because you never know what happened. Again, if the planned release is not matched up or it is failed, they could go back to Stranger 3 the game. So that's a backup kind of game. They're keeping it unless some problem comes from the production house side. So that's a backup game. So hopefully the Escapist 2 will come definitely next week. So hopefully like this video, hopefully you got your answer why the Escapist 2 was not there Epic Game and you were thinking why that game wasn't there. So hopefully I was able to answer you with facts. So hopefully like this video, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing my channel because all your gaming queries info, free game info will be all up on my channel. So consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Bye bye, take care, keep gaming.